In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a local Llama 3 with Ollama and connect it to n8n for fast private AI automations. We'll start by installing Ollama. Head over to ollama.com, download the version for your operating system, and complete the installation. Once it's installed, open your terminal. On macOS and Linux, that's the terminal app. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type the command Ollama list and press Enter. If the command runs without errors and shows available models or an empty list, your installation is working. Next, let's pull the AI model. In the same terminal window, type Ollama pull Llama 3. This downloads the Llama 3 model to your machine, and the first download may take a few minutes depending on your connection. When that finishes, test it locally by typing Ollama run Llama 3. You'll see a prompt where you can ask a simple question just to confirm it responds. This verifies the model is running correctly on your computer. Now open n8n and go to your personal workspace. Click Create Workflow to start a fresh canvas. We'll add a way to trigger this workflow on demand while testing. On the right panel, select Trigger manually. This gives you a simple button to start the workflow whenever you need to try it. With the trigger in place, add the AI connection. Click the plus button on the canvas and choose AI Agent. In its settings, set Chat Model to Ollama. For base URL, enter http://localhost:11434. For model name, type Llama 3, exactly as you pulled it. For the system prompt, use "You are an AI assistant." Answer clearly and concisely. This configuration tells n8n to talk to your local Ollama server and to keep responses focused. Let's test the whole flow. Click Execute Workflow. You'll see an input where you can type a question. Enter something straightforward and send it. You should see the AI reply almost instantly, powered entirely on your machine. If you run into connection errors, make sure Ollama is running in the background and that you can still run Ollama list in your terminal. Occasionally, the first response may take a moment while the model warms up. From here, you can expand with optional automation. Connect Gmail to automatically summarize emails, hook up Telegram to auto-reply to messages, or use webhooks to trigger the AI for any task across your tools. Keep your integrations secure and test each change with the manual trigger before going live. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.